Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you which fuses you want to check in case you're having problems with the radio. So in case there is no sound coming from the speakers, or the screen isn't working, or radio is not powering on, and things like that. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. All of the radio fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side, right here. Under this cover, to remove the cover, you have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side, you have a small fuse diagram, and right here, a small fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. First fuse you want to check is a fuse number F9. It's a 25 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to the amplifier. So you will check this one in case there is no sound coming from the speakers. Next two fuses we're checking are fuse number F28. It's a 10 amp red fuse right here, and the fuse F30, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located here. This is the fuse for the media hub. And the main radio fuse should be this one right here, fuse number F55, a 15 amp blue fuse. The next fuse, it's a fuse number F76, it's this one right here. You want to check this one, and F77, which will be this 10 amp red fuse located here. These should be all of the radio fuses to my knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.